Day 4, and we are back doing the 8.5 by 7.5 metre L shape. We are still at the base part of things, but I think we've only got today and one more day left, and the base will be done. And we can start with the actual exciting part of this entire video series, which is the building of the log cabin. So make sure you subscribe for that. Progress wise, I've got Mark with me. He's a friend of mine. He's come to give me a hand today just to push things along a bit more. It is a bit menial just continuing doing this every day, so I've got someone to talk to other than you guys. He's knocking up a mix now. I've got the kettle on. I'm going to make him a coffee, keep him going, make himself a cup of tea, and crack on, make some progress. The weather's cloudy today. I was supposed to come in yesterday, which was going to be Sunday part 4, but I had the day off yesterday. I was a bit tired, so today is Monday. Try and make some great progress. Cup of tea, march on. So that's the longest section done. We've only got one more short return to do, which is what we're working on now. We've moved our string line over, so we've got a line to work to. We're not far off level ground wise. We've got a little bit of a dip on the right hand side, but we'll get over that. Kettle's just come off the boil, so we're gonna have a cup of tea, treat ourselves. I feel like we deserve it. The weather's nice and mild, I'd say. It's not raining, which is great news. So cup of tea, get that line done, and then start working on our bays. So that's the perimeter complete. We've also put a bay in across the big section on the left, which basically carries, because the floor bearers come in 4.8 metre lengths, so we need to have something to carry the 4.8 and then whatever's left of the 8.3 metres. So we've been given some aluminium box section to use if we wanted to use it, and I said, you know what, it's going to save us some time running courses of bricks in there, so we're going to use them up. We're going to treat ourselves to our third cup of tea of the day. Mark's going to mix some more mortar, and then we're going to start putting them aluminium box sections in. What a day it has been. That concludes part 4. So make sure you subscribe for part 5, because that's where you're going to see the building start to be built I'm so happy we finally got past this stage. We've got 3 more of the metal joists to put in on the right hand side. Probably 2 courses of bricks down there, just to, obviously the spacings are too wide. And then we are ready. We're ready for the building. Cannot wait. See you guys in part 5.